Hello guys, welcome to this video on tips and tricks in Max. So today we are going to discuss about how to find the adjoint of a matrix in a much simpler way and faster way. So let me write down an matrix first, and we'll see how to find the adjoint of that particular matrix in a bit more simpler manner. Okay, so we'll take a matrix over here. Let us take it as matrix A. Now we need to find the adjoint of this matrix. So what I'm going to do here is, so this matrix basically has how many columns? It has 3 columns, right? So we have the matrix. The first column is C1, C2, second column, and C3 is the third column. I'm just going to rewrite this first 2 columns over here, this side. So what I get is 1, 2, minus 1, 2, 3, minus 1. And after doing this, these 2 rows of this matrix I'm going to repeat down. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, minus 1, 2, 1, minus 1, 2. So after doing that, what we have nothing but an 5 by 5 matrix over here. So what you need to do is, we just need to strike out this particular row and this particular column and think about the remaining 4 by 4 matrix what we have. So using this 4 by 5 matrix, we have 4 by 4 matrix, we are going to find the adjoint of our matrix A. So I will show you how we can find the adjoint of A. So obviously it is going to be an 3 by 3 matrix, as you know, because we have a 3 by 3 matrix which is we have started. So the first entry is simply given by 4 into 2 minus 1 into minus 1. 4 into 2 minus 1 into minus 1, and that is nothing but 9. The second entry here in this row I am going to calculate using the next pairs here, that is 1 into minus 1 times 3 minus 2 times 4, minus 1 times 3 minus 2 times 4, and that is nothing but minus 11. The next entry here is 2 into 1 minus 3 into 2, 6. So 2 minus 6, that is minus 4. So 2 minus 6 is minus 4. The next entry is in this second row. We are going to find using these pairs. So the first is given by 1 into 3 minus 4 into minus 1, that is 7, and the second entry is given by 4 into 1 minus 3 into 3, 9, so that is minus 5. 4 into 1 minus 3 into 3, 9, that is minus 5, and this last entry in this row is given by 3 into minus 1 minus 1 into 1, 3 into minus 1 minus 1 into 1, and that is nothing but minus 4. Now we have one more row left out, and that is given by these entries. So the first element is given by minus 1 times minus 1 into 3 into 2, that is, if you find it, what do you get? You get minus 4. Here you get what? 3 into 2, 6, minus 1, so you get something like 3 plus 1, that is 7, and the last entry you can see it is 2 into 1 minus 2 into minus 1. So what you get is nothing but 4. So this matrix what we have found is nothing but the adjoint of our matrix A. So thank you for listening to this video, and please subscribe my channel for getting such kind of tips and tricks throughout in the coming days. Thank you so much.